Okay, power move number three. Power move number three is having an end of day ritual. Now, I've heard this described as off ramps. These off ramps allow you to close the mental loops. Now, again, I'm not sure of the gender diversity in the group that's listening now or that is participating afterwards, but certainly there is a gender. There's certainly a gender divide between the amount of mental load that people carry. Everyone carries a mental load, but if you are a woman, then you're likely to carry an extra. Can't tell you what the numbers are. The numbers shift every time we get new numbers out, but certainly it's significant. It is really significant. So the extra hours that women tend to carry in the mental load mean that it's even more important for women to have these end of day rituals to give you an off ramp from the work that you were doing to the role that you're stepping into next. And that role that you're stepping into next, I hope, is heavily weighted towards balance. It's things that actually renew you. Now, let me ask you a question. How many hours a day do you think, when we talk about balance? So primarily, I mean, I use balance in a lot of different ways. It's all around how do you get peak performance. So balance for me is definitely all around peak performance. And that doesn't just come from, more hours of rest. Balance that delivers peak performance comes from balanced communication. It comes from the emotional intelligence. It comes from, effective communication. It comes from clearer decision making. And definitely you need to have a balanced body in order to facilitate the clear thinking that's required for effective leadership. So on that basis, balance means a number of different things. You need a number of different components to balance to make it work for your leadership effectively. But one of those pieces is